What's up YouTube, Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, helping to make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaning, but I am trying to be an example of what could be. What's up guys, Tommy here. I'm Green Rhino, carpet cleaner, part-time ghostbuster. Yeah, not really. Anyway, second job of the day, repeat customer. Used me about 2.5, 3 years ago, I guess. And did her carpet and tile last time, and today I'm just back to do the carpet. They were super impressed with my services last time, and especially with the tile. They said it looked brand new when I was done. And so yeah, this is a tile we did, and it's ready for another cleaning. So pretty sure they'll be calling back pretty soon. But yeah, the carpet, yeah, it does look like 3 years, and they got a dog in the house. Dog doesn't have accidents, but a lot of foot traffic and in and out, and it smells a little like pet dander here. I did offer them some little deodorizer, you know, just kind of a scent I was going to add to my pre-spray for free, but they'd rather not have any scent. So a lot of customers, you know, they got allergies and stuff, so think about that. My go-to pre-spray is hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, green safe, carpet detail. So I'm just not going to boost it with anything. So what I usually do with carpet detail is I boost it. So if I'm tempted to put some peroxide booster in here. We'll see how this turns out on my first spray, but if this doesn't clean up and blend too well, I may add a little bit of Go Oxy to the pre-spray and go over those areas. But we'll see what the carpet detail does. I already had it mixed up. Definitely do a good agitation. Use our Power Flight today. So yeah, the grout's dirty, but it'll clean up easy because I think I sealed it also. So, and we're gonna do this rug. And I was gonna charge them. I wasn't gonna charge them for the rug because I appreciate them calling me back. My prices have went up since the last time they used me, and they didn't question it. But I wasn't gonna charge them. I said, "Oh, I'll just knock it out for free." When they wrote me a check before they left, they gave us $50 extra. So they wanted to pay me, so no problem. We'll take the $50. Gee, how you doing? See, long-haired dog, you know, you're gonna have a lot of pet hair in the carpet. That right there. I should have gloves on, guys, but yeah, I hate wearing gloves. All right, stay tuned. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course. Down below, all my videos, there's a link. Not just the technical side of it, but the business side of it. How to get those customers to call you. Also, the tools I love and use, down below also. Now back to the video. All right, so for this really soiled areas here, what I do is if I'm gonna boost it, put peroxide base in this case, I go ahead and let it have a maximum of dwell time plus scrub. Just do one area, see what it looks like. All right. If we need to boost it, go ahead and do it. Right now, and it doesn't look like we need to boost it. That was good.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna call this a wrap. All right, hope you guys like this video. If you like this kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe, and go ahead and hit that like and comment if you want. All right, see you in the next one.